Western Australia's southwest is a rich biodiversity hotspot. We're fortunate to have some species that live nowhere else on Earth. When we maintain the network, we're working in their backyard. That's why we map and manage environmentally sensitive areas across the Southwest Interconnected Network. Nearly 300 environmentally sensitive sites get a health check every 5 years. Last season we surveyed 47 of these sites and flagged a new potential environmentally sensitive area with help from Western Australia's Department of Biodiversity, Conservation and Attractions. This year we're stepping it up, with about 90 surveys from the Metro Fringe to the far south. 2 of those will revisit bushfire country where 6 threatened plants may return after the burn. This is how a survey works. Specialists walk the line, record every plant or animal and check how routine jobs, like pole swaps or access tracks, might affect them. Findings are uploaded into our mapping software so crews are aware of sensitive sites. We also add ESA signage on poles and gates so everyone knows to tread carefully. Our environmental project teams also survey future project corridors, like the Clean Energy Link. They do this to minimise environmental impacts and gain approvals to build in protection before work begins. When our crews arrive, they have the facts at hand and rare species stay safe while we keep power flowing. Protecting nature as we build a network for life, all life.